In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to add non-inventory items in QuickBooks Desktop. What's non-inventory items? Non-inventory items, it's something that a company purchases for its own use or for resale but does not track in items of quantity or are not sold frequently enough or which is used in production of goods or services. Or non-inventory items are goods or materials that are essential for day-to-day operations. So here you can see on the home page items and services. You can click on this and the page of item list will be open, or you can click list and then click on item list and the same page will be open. Here you can see at the bottom of the corner item, click on it and then click new and this page will be open. So here you can see type of items. So you can select the type of item. So we are going to click on non-inventory part, and here we should write item name. For example, power cable. Here you can write manufacturer's part number that we explain in inventory part. For example, I'm writing a number, and here if you purchase this item for specific customers, so you can check this box and write here description, or you can copy and paste the same name of your item as well, the manufacturer's part number. And here you can write the cost of item. For example, it's cost $10, and here you can choose expense account. For example, I'm writing here a cost of goods sold account. And here you can select preferred vendor from whom you purchased this item. You can select, for example, I'm selecting this one, and here you can see sales information, the sales on description of sales transactions, so you can bring changes here also. And sales price, you can rate on which price you want to sell out this item, for example $12. Here you can choose income account. For example, I'm choosing sales, and then click on OK. So the item will be saved in your item list. If you want to edit it, so you can double click on the item, or you can right click on the item then click edit item, so you can edit from here as well. If you want to make inactive, so right click on it and then make item inactive, click on it, so the item will disappear on the item list. If you want to bring it again to item list, so here you can see include inactive, click on checkbox of include inactive, then click right on your item, then make item active, click on it, and the item will come back to your item list. If you want to delete it, so right click on your item, then delete item, and here you can see the message that are you sure want to delete this item, click on OK, so the item will be deleted.